So this is the future of HR. Like we need to work with the technology, and HR need to identify the everything about the technology. So future of business is directly proportional to future of HR. We need to identify this statement. Future of business is directly proportional to future of HR. So I can give you one idea, like flirt with technology, romance with technology, but do not fall in love with the technology, because it can be the changing one. Like we need drastically change is happening in the market where things get outdated extremely fast. So what we need to focus, like we need to focus on that particular change. We need to adapt ourselves with the same. And what we need to perform as being a HR in the future, we need to be a growth partner of that company. As being a junior HR, like it can be possible that we need to perform a multiple tasks as a account key manager or key account manager. Then rich with the IQ or EQ, we need to build that complement in our side. That IQ and EQ is actually important for us. What we are going to do, like we are not a robot. Robots won't have EQ much in them. So we need, as being a HR or as being a human resource professional, we need to focus on the EQ and IQ both. Organizer, we need to become a good organizer. Like we need to able to manage the multiple things, and we need to be the implementator. See, in nowadays people do have strategies with them. There are lots of trainer HR consultants are giving them strategies, but very few people are there who are actually able to implement that particular thing. So what we need to do, we, as being a HR or as being a part of the human resource team, we need to become a good implementator. We are not just talking about this thing, we are actually implementing this thing. So we need to be the implementator, a good implementator. A plant also has to strengthen its root to become a tree. See, this is actually important for every one of us, that we need to build our foundation very strong so that we can become a good plant in the future. Like to be in this field, to become a good in this field, we need to definitely work with the technology, and we need to make our foundations very strong. The foundations of the analytics, the foundations of the digital world, the foundation of the technological savvy, right? So like to understand about the HR or to get updated with the HR field, or the new changes are happening in the HR field, or what is the actual shift are going on in that particular field. So for that we can connect with this type of communities. So like Society of Human Resource Management, then Chartered Institute of Personal Development, People Management Matters will be there. Then Human Capital Institute is there, Certified Human Resource Management Professionals are there. Then National HRD Foundation are there. Then HR Katha, then IMA, All India Management Association, they are providing a very good events related to HR and management. Then Association for Talent Development. So these are the institute that like you can connect, or you can go through with the newsletter of this particular companies. So you'll identify the actual market or actual shift going on with the HR field. So be connected with this institute, so you'll get updated with the HR field. Then the characteristic of the future HR. See, this is actually important for us to understand about the actual characteristic. We are not just talking about the future, that what will be the future, but what are the actual characteristic that the HR professional should have in future. So first, that is the impactful strategy. So HR should be able to create a disruptive and strong impactful strategies in the practical manner. Not about the paper only, not about the paper. This is about the practical. Like we need to perform the same thing with the try and error and with the learn and grow, right? Someone who is passionate about the thing about HR technology. So see, there are lots of technology in future. As of now only, there are lots of software for the HR management or the HRM. But very few software are there that are actually useful for us in our life, like in the resource planning of the company. So we need to be updated with the technology as well, and we need to identify the right technology for our company need. Then equip it with the necessary skills to grasp the essential of the new solution that benefit of the organization. So we need to be the like solution maker. We need to be the one who have the solution of the major issues of the organization and major issues of the manpower field, right? Then digital and tech savvy. We need to be the digital and tech savvy. the characteristic of the future HR. Then we need to focus on the problem solving skill as well. Like we need to compulsory focus on this. It can be possible that in future, like we need to be in the counseling of the one-to-one session, and at that place, like we need to solve the problem of the like the employees. At that place, like we need a very good problem solving skill. We need to be well organized, and we need to be out of the box thinker, out of the box thinker. So this is actually the characteristic that we need to focus for the future. Then about HR for the future, I gonna give you a very good lesson that you need to remember about your future. That is, first, three C's are there. First, focus on the change. Second, the challenge. And third, that is the competition. See, these are the things that you need to focus on your own self, not with the others. Like first, you need to change your own self. Like if you are connected with the very less technology or very poor technology, you need to be the advanced with the technology. Second, challenge. So consider it as a challenge that you need to learn about the HR, and you need to improve your own self. So challenge your own self to become updated and become a better version of your own self, and they compete with your own self. That these are the things that you can definitely do. See, one time, like the one person was learning about the Kathak, and he was failing with the every step of Kathak. And once he asked his teacher that why am I not able to be the strong person or the strong Kathak player as like your fellow students. So the teacher informed him that stop watching at the other students. So this is actually important for us, that we need to build ourselves with the trend, but we need to first focus inside. So this is the part that we started with the mastery of the communication. So first we need to work on the inside, that we need to learn the communication, mastery of communication inside. As Stephen Hawking famously said that intelligence is the ability to adapt to the change. So we need to keep that intelligence inside us, and we need to work on that particular thing. So equation of life is that, like, something plus acceptance equal to positive emotion. Just think about this, like the HR who are not gonna acceptable with the technology, so they'll completely replace with the field, and the someone will take that place, right? So something plus non-acceptance equal to negative emotion, and something plus acceptance equal to positive emotion. So we need to learn out of this, like we need to accept the situation whatever we are getting in life, and we need to focus on that particular solution that we can do about